If you want to create a birthday video in CapCut quickly and easily, this tutorial is going to walk you through the whole process from start to finish. Whether you're making a surprise birthday montage, a fun slideshow for a friend, or a polished birthday reel for social media, CapCut makes it simple to get a professional-looking result without needing advanced editing skills. And before we jump in, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more CapCut tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open CapCut on your computer. Once the app launches, you'll land on the main screen where CapCut gives you several editing options. Since we want to make a birthday video fast, we're going to use templates. On the left side of the screen, click the Templates tab. This is where CapCut keeps ready-made video styles, transitions, music, and layouts that you can customize with your own photos and clips. Now at the top of the screen, use the search bar and type in Happy Birthday or Just Birthday. CapCut will show you a wide range of birthday-themed templates, and this is where you can choose the style that fits your video best. You might see templates that are playful, elegant, emotional, colorful, or cinematic. Take your time here, because the template you choose will set the entire mood for the final video. Before selecting one, hover over the template to preview it. This is a really important step, because it lets you see the effects, transitions, motion, and music before you commit to it. Watch how the template flows. Check if the timing feels right, and make sure it matches the kind of birthday video you want to create. If the pacing and style look good, click Use Template to begin editing. Once the template opens in the editor, CapCut will show you the timeline and all of the placeholder clips that need to be replaced. These are the sample photos or videos that came with the template. To customize the project, click the Clip to be Replaced icon in the video timeline. This tells CapCut which part of the template you want to swap out with your own media. Now start replacing each clip one by one with your own photos or videos. Click the Replace icon for each section and upload the image or video you want to use. You can use birthday photos, memories from trips, selfies, short video clips, or any moments that make the birthday video more personal. If you're making a surprise video, this is the perfect place to add meaningful moments that tell a story. As you replace each clip, keep an eye on the order of the visuals. Try to arrange them in a way that feels natural and emotional. For example, you might start with older photos, then move into recent memories, and finish with the most special or happy moments. This helps the birthday video feel more dynamic and memorable. If a clip doesn't fit perfectly, adjust it inside the template so the subject is centered and the image looks clean. CapCut usually makes this process very easy, but it's always worth checking each slide so nothing important gets cropped out. Repeat this process for every placeholder until all the template clips have been replaced with your own content. Once everything has been swapped out, preview the entire birthday video from beginning to end. This is your chance to make sure the transitions look smooth, the music matches the mood, and every photo or clip appears correctly. If something feels off, go back and make small adjustments before exporting. Taking a minute to review it now can make a big difference in the final result. When you're happy with how it looks, click Export and save your birthday video to your computer. From there, you can share it on social media, send it directly to the birthday person, or play it during a celebration. CapCut makes it easy to turn simple memories into a beautiful birthday montage in just a few steps. And that's how to create a birthday video in CapCut using templates, your own photos, and quick edits. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more simple step-by-step CapCut guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.